In this video, we're going to be unboxing the brand new DJI Osmo Action 6. Now, I did pay for this guy out of my own pocket. If you want the standard combo, which is what this is, currently it's $379 plus tax on Amazon, which for the brand new DJI Action camera, I feel like it could be worse. I feel like the pricing is pretty fair considering all the, climate of everything that's going on. Anyway, I am definitely excited that I finally got this in. I had to wait like a week after I ordered it to get it. DJI Osmo Action 6 standard combo. Let's open it up. Super easy process on opening the package. And we're going to start with the big boy itself. And now there it is. So that's what it looks like. The new DJI Osmo Action 6. Let's go ahead and take this cover off. And yeah, that is beautiful for an action camera. Go ahead and take that off. I believe that's a new slider mechanism. Pull over and then up. So that's new compared to the previous ones. Same thing. It's got the tab where it says over and down. So boom to the side and then up. Type-C charging. Okay, so I really like the design of this guy already. Really quickly, let's open the rest of the accessories that it comes with. Battery, of course. I think this might be a new higher capacity one. I'll have to double check. Dude, come on. There's a silica packet in here. Yeah. Dude, come on. Finally got it. I'm tired now. Okay, but we got it. It's fine. Put that in and boom. Okay, I really want to see what the screen looks like on this guy because I'm more familiar with the Action 4. Yeah, so definitely a bigger, brighter OLED screen. The Action 4 didn't have an OLED screen, it just had an LCD panel. I really like the Osmo Nano. That is an excellent AMOLED panel as well, but this one's larger. Yeah, the screen on this thing is so nice. Looks like a quick start pamphlet. Got some sticker action. QR, quick start, and this is a dust absorption sticker to clean the lens. Type-C, a Type-C cable, and then we have the base mount and the screw. That way you can stick it and mount it wherever you want. By the way, here's the hat clip that you get with the Osmo Nano, and it should work, perfectly just like that. So if you had one of these larger action cameras, and if you don't mind wearing your hat super freaking tight to where it probably cuts off brain activity, you can wear this on your head. I think they did make it reversible now. They did. So you can mount it either way now. That's super cool. That's handy. All right, guys, so that's what it looks like. The DJI Osmo Action 6 and what you get with it in the standard bundle. Do you guys think the pricing on this currently at $379 is okay? And tell me down in the comments, are you gonna be getting one of these? And if you are, what's the reason? Is it the new square sensor? Is it the low light image performance? Is it the fact that it comes with a new variable aperture? I wanna see what you guys think. So again, drop a comments down below and let me know. All right, that was an unboxing of the DJI Osmo Action 6. Hope you liked it. See you in the next video. Bye.